Today, I'll show you how to update VLC Media Player the right way, so you can keep the app running smoothly and enjoy all the newest features and security updates. Even if you've never done this before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just asterisk how to update VLC, but why asterisk it's important to keep your software current. Let's get right into it. First, make sure VLC Media Player is open on your computer. If you're not already there, just launch VLC like you normally would. Now here, where many people get a little lost, but it's simpler than it seems. Look for the top menu bar in the VLC window and find the Help option. It's usually nestled on the far right side of the menu bar alongside Tools and View. Go ahead and click Help to expand the menu. Now in that drop-down menu, you'll see Check for Updates, and this is your ticket to making sure VLC is up to date. When you click Check for Updates, VLC will automatically connect to its servers and see if there's a newer version available for your computer. This process usually takes just a second or two, so don't worry if you see a little loading icon or if the window pauses for a moment. That's normal. If you're already running the latest version, VLC will tell you so with a friendly pop-up. That means you're good to go, but if there is a newer version available, you'll get a window prompting you to install the latest update. Now, installing the update is a really important step, not just for new features, but because updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can protect your computer from glitches or security issues. Think of it like making sure your car has the latest safety upgrades. It keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes. At this point, simply click the button to install the update. VLC will start downloading the new files it needs, and depending on your internet speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Don't worry if it takes a little while. Sometimes larger updates need more time to transfer. Once the download finishes, VLC will usually prompt you to close the program so it can finish installing. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and soon you'll be back up and running with the latest version. One thing to keep in mind, updating VLC won't affect your playlists or save settings, so you don't need to worry about losing anything. It's a safe process, and the built-in updater makes it very straightforward. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep VLC Media Player updated. Regularly checking for updates is a small habit that pays off big in performance and reliability. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or run into something unexpected, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated VLC Media Player.